Hello again. So let's continue with part two on present perfect. So let's talk about questions and answers. How to form questions in the present perfect. Well, let's start with yes/no questions. So it's very simple. Just move the helping verb from its original position to the beginning of the sentence, and there's it. You'll have a yes/no question. So, have you ever ridden a motorcycle? And the answer would be, as you can see, it's either yes, I have, or no, I haven't. But the WH question, it needs an extra step. So first, you shift the helping verb from its original position to the beginning of the sentence, and before the helping verb, you have to insert the WH word. So as you can see, what have you done to the toy? And the answer would be providing information. I have took its head off. Or it could be in a negative sentence. I haven't done anything to it. Okay, now let's talk about the keywords that we often use with the present perfect. Now, they have already been mentioned in part one, but now I'm going to talk about the function of each one of them. So the first one is yet. She hasn't arrived yet. So this means that we expect her to arrive sooner, but she hasn't. So this means that yet بالعربي احنا بنحكي إن هي لسه ما وصلت. The second one is already. They have already packed their bags. So it's done already. They don't have to do it anymore. So you expected them to take longer time to pack their bags, but when you say they have already packed their bags يعني عملوها وصاروا مخلصين يعني صاروا محضرين شنطتهم ومخلصين. The third one is since. I have lived in this house since 2007, which means that I moved there in 2007 and I still live in that house. The next one is for. They have been married for 10 years, which means that their marriage has continued or has lasted for 10 years. And the last one is never. Never has the same meaning as not. It's negative. So she has never left the house, which means that she has always been inside the house. Okay, now let's move to the most important point, which is present perfect versus simple past. You have to know the difference between them and how to distinguish them. So, we use the present perfect to talk about actions that started in the past and continue up to the present, like the examples we have mentioned earlier. I have worked here since 2017, which means that I still work here, right? And we also use it to talk about life experiences when we do not specify time, like I have driven a Ferrari once. We don't know when. It was just once, right? But we don't know when. But if you look at this simple past, we use it to describe actions that started and finished in the past when time is always specified. Like, for example, we say, I drove a Ferrari last month, or last week, or yesterday, or a week ago. So we always specify time with simple past. And that would be it. Thank you.